Hello, friends, and welcome to another guided meditation from Two Moons with me, Jess. Today, we're just going to do some grounding meditations, bringing you back to your body and back to your breath. So, relax into your chosen meditation position, and we will begin. Breathing in, I am aware of my in-breath. And breathing out, I am aware of my out-breath. Breathing in and out. Allow each passing thought or idea, memory, to-do list item. Allow each of those items in and allow them to pass on by. Refocusing your attention and awareness back to your breath. Breathing in and out. Allow yourself to settle into your energy, into this space. Breathing in and out. Let your breath be an anchor back to the present moment in these raging seas of life. Each time you take the time and energy to tend to yourself in this way, breathing in and out, reclaiming your power, firmly rooting yourself to this present moment. Breathing in and out. Allowing your breath to be that anchor, relying on it to keep you stable and present in the now. Breathing in and out. Let your breath be your anchor. Breathing in and out. Calming these emotional seas within. Each time you bring yourself back to the stable and consistent breath. Breathing in and out. When the storms of life seem to be overtaking, when the sea rages on around you, remember your skills of lowering your anchor, breathing deeply and exhaling, allowing that breath to pull you back to the present moment, the here and the now, breathing in and out. You can come back to this place of stillness anytime simply by bringing your awareness and focus back to this breath, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Let your attention and focus come back to the room that you're sitting in. Breathing in and out. Maybe gently wiggling your toes or fingers. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes and thank yourself for giving yourself this time and space to be anchored. Thank you so much for allowing me to lead you in this short meditation. I hope that you go through your day feeling a little bit more anchored to self and the present moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out Two Moons PDX for new online courses and online gatherings, as well as in-person offerings in the Portland metro area. As always, thank you so much and namaste.